Yep.
Position level 70.
Okay, Russ, we're going to do a bit of training today in the Mooney M20J, and what we're going to do is fly north a little bit, do a hold by the 750, Garmin 750, then come back to an ILS after some maneuvers and a couple of landings with crosswinds.
Great, sounds like good fun. Show people the 750.
Let's just, in the G750, let's put a simple route in, go to flight plan, EG.
So here we are at the Oxford Airport traffic area. We'll be departing south on runway 19, making a left turn out towards Bug Up, doing a steep turn here, calling radar approach for some vectors, downwind leg, past the Endstone area, watching for traffic. They'll give us a right turn to intercept the ILS down back into Oxford runway 19. We'll just be careful of Western on the Green danger area. The Brave military will be jumping out of a Sky van, which leaves them at 12,000 feet, and a parachute to come back to Earth at Western on the Green. Enjoy.
That's it. We'll also listen to ATIS.
Approach. Runway in use 19er.
That's 19, the ILS.
Level 70. Wind 290 degrees, 10 knots. Variable.
So that's full 10 knot crosswind.
1320 degrees, maximum 20 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Crowd scattered at 3,200 feet. Temperature +16. Dew point +9er. QNH 1030. QFE 1020. Power and approach combined on 125.090. Ground frequency closed. Pilots of arriving aircraft are reporting passengers on board.
Oxford Tower, November 4, Mike Lima with Juliet, QNH 1030, request for radio check and taxi.
November 4, Mike Lima, Oxford Tower, QNH correct, taxi at your discretion and report to Juliet.
Report Juliet, 4 Mike Lima. Holding Charlie, ready for departure with right turn out.
November 4, Mike Lima, hold position, after departure, right turn approved. No altitude restrictions, squawk 4520.
520 on the squawk, right turn approved, and no altitude restriction, November 4 Mike Lima.
November 4 Mike Lima, reaffirm, no turns below 1,000 feet, and behind the landing pier 28, right Charlie, line up and wait behind.
Line up and wait behind the landing pier 28, and no turns below 1,000 feet, November 4 Mike Lima. So in Oxford we have to wait for the lights to be turned off.
You can see the lights in front.
Full Mike Lima, confirming the lights are on.
Sorry, there you go.
Thank you.
Never cross when the lights are red. If in doubt, call it out, as you did, Ross. Okay, so you can see that the wind is from the right. We'll also be holding a right aileron, compensate for the wind, and using rudder. There'll be P factor and the effect of the wind on the tail. And so there'll be lots of rudder used on this takeoff.
November 4 Mike Lima, traffic of wind is remaining in the left-hand circuit. Runway 19, clear for takeoff, wind 28012.
Clear takeoff 19 November 4 Mike Lima.
Golf Juliet, downwind, runway 19, touch yourself. Golf Juliet, number 2, follow the pier 28.
And in the crosswind you'd always try and get a little extra speed before takeoff, just to get more stability. But you can see we're tracking that central line, holding some right rudder. And as we begin to take off, we push a tiny bit forward in a Mooney. Correct with the ailerons, correct with the rudder.
Positive rate, gear up. Watching the Cherokee traffic in front, turning on the upwind. Okay, we are steady on 310, but we've got Little Risington off to the left, so...
That's alright. Nobody there. So, roll into your left turn, and as we go through 20 degrees, we start a gentle pullback. And we're keeping an eye on the vertical speed. That's our best pitch instrument in the left turn. Maintaining 2,000. Ross is doing 30 degrees. Keep the turn in. And you might see on here we've got the traffic page just to see if anybody else is out there, any conflicting traffic. Oh, we're rolling round. You can see the lubber line there on the heading bug. It's 325. We push forward as we come out the turn, so there we are, 2,000 feet.
Full Mike Lima is 2,300.
November Mike Lima, vectoring for the ILS approach runway 19, fly heading 075.
Heading 075, after the ILS 19, Full Mike Lima.
Contact Oxford Tower,
AFC 150.
133-430, Golf Super Far.
So at this point, Ross is going to put the procedure in the 750. Talk it through.
So we've gone to the approach page and we're looking to do the ILS 19, so we'll choose the ILS 19. And we're doing a vectors transition, so we'll do that. Now normally you would press load approach, but as we're already on the vectors, we'll load and activate. And it warns us that it's got to be on the actual ILS, not just GPS, so we'll press OK to that. Go back to our map page.
November 4 Mike Lima, a couple of aircraft in the incident circuit, right 1 o'clock, a range of 3 miles, indicating 1,500 feet and just climbing out at 1,000 feet.
4 Mike Lima looking. Not yet.
November 4 Mike Lima, descend to altitude 1,800 feet, QNH 1030.
Descend 1,800 on QNH 1030, 4 Mike Lima.
November 4 Mike Lima, turn right, heading 170 degrees, cleared ILS runway 19.
Turn right 170, cleared ILS 19, November 4 Mike Lima.
Yeah, good controller, he's figured the wind.
Mike Lima, 5 miles from touchdown, contact tower 133.430.
Tower 133.430, 4 Mike Lima, thank you. Oxford Tower, November 4 Mike Lima, 4.5 miles on the ILS 19, request touch and go.
November 4 Mike Lima, Oxford Tower, continue approach runway 19. For now, anticipate a low approach not below 700 feet. There's a large amount of birds just to the east of the runway.
4 Mike Lima, roger, continue approach and expect low approach.
Happy for you to do a touch and go once we've cleared these birds away for you.
4 Mike Lima, roger, thank you. Low gear extension speed, gear down.
We'll slow it down. Don't want to.
51 Oxford Tower, enter runway 19 at Alpha 1 for bird scaring. The birds are just north of the midpoint on the east side.
Copy that. Entering runway 19 at Alpha 1, fly 1.
When you may see traffic on final, it's not landing.
Roger, many thanks, fly 1.
Yes, undercarriage.
November 4 Mike Lima, runway blocked by vehicle. Cleared low approach not below altitude 700 feet, wind 29010.
Cleared low approach not below 700, 4 Mike Lima.
Well, it is best to get rid of birds, that's for sure. Beeping. I would take them speed brakes off. Yeah, you can see him on the center line.
Alright, disconnecting autopilot.
And whether you can see out the front there, but the fire vehicle is on the left edge of the runway, probably shouting and making noise for birds. But we're having to stay at 700 feet and basically go around.
White Lima turning crosswind and visual with the Skyvan.
White Lima, Roger, Skyvan's en route to Western on the green, report final.
Wilco, 4 White Lima.
Keeping out of Brise.
November 4 White Lima turning final 19, touch and go.
November 4 White Lima, clear to V1 0 degrees, 05 knots.
Clear touch and go 19, November 4 White Lima.
No, we're very high.
Minimums, minimums.